Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crypto Beginner. Let's discuss about BitShiba today. Let's start with some good news. So the giveaway rewards has been declared and all the participants have already received their prize money. And as of yesterday on 24th, the Satic audit has been completed and the token has been listed on Bubble Maps, bubbles.moonlighttoken.com. So they have tweeted new Bubble Map partnership. BitToken is now listed on Bubble Maps. Congratulations for showing transparency and showing your community the transfer of BNB between the top holders. So now we can move ahead and check the Certic audit if it's completed or not. So we will go to official website bitshiba.io and here in audits earlier it was showing as applied for Certic. Now it's completed. When you click on Certic, you can find out the Certic report, audit report, and whatever you need to check in the report. Now let's check the price movement of BitShiba in last 24 hours. So as of now, the BitShiba price is down by 3.07%. But the good news is the volume is increasing and the volume has increased by 5.39%. Now the token rank is 3425 and it's in the watch list of 17,374 people. So as Certic audit is already completed and it's already been listed on one of the exchanges, so we can hope for a better future and bigger pumps to come in as it l- keeps on listing on other exchanges. This is the first one. Let's wait for other exchanges to list the BitShiba token. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe for the videos on BitShiba.